Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, it's Tomasz here, and in today's video let's take a look at the latest GoPro accessory, which is the GoPro Sleeve Lanyard, and let's quickly discuss what I honestly like and don't like about this product. So some pros and cons. Okay, see you guys there.
Alright, so this is what we get in the box, and as you guys see, this is the Sleeve plus Lanyard, which I just showed you guys in the previous clip. So basically this is a really simple accessory which you get for around 20 bucks. And as you guys see, I will not say that this accessory is for any extreme sports activity. It's rather designed for hanging out with your friends, just taking a couple of photos with your family and friends and so on and so forth. So basically it gives you a little bit of protection of not losing it, thanks to the lanyard that you can place around your wrist or maybe around your neck, and also gives you a little bit of protection on the outside for your camera. So what I wanted to actually show you guys is when I turn on the camera actually and put it on. Also, in order to put it in, you have to gently extend the silicone material that's made of. Okay, so in order to put it in, you have to extend it, as I said, and just try to squeeze it in. So it's not gonna be as easily as in case with the frame. Alright, so my only con, I would say, is that when you have it your camera turned on, this LED light here gonna be actually the only LED light that's gonna be turned on and visible for you when the camera is recording. So apart from other sides, like in here where you should have LED, or somewhere on the other side like in here, all of the other LEDs are actually covered by the sleeve. So this is gonna be the only indication for you that the camera is recording. Yeah. Also, if you look closely on the top side, you got a normal shutter button here. So also you got the microphone hole for your camera to pick better audio. If you look closely on this side, you actually have another microphone hole in this side and a mode button on this side to actually turn on and off your camera, and it's really nice to the touch. From this side, if you look closely, you got another microphone hole in this side, and also a few additional holes for the speakers to listen to the audio from your clip. If you look closely on this side, you got another hole for the microphone, as well as a really nice and firm attachment to the lanyard, which really feels strong and durable, and there is definitely some quality to it. It doesn't look cheap and it doesn't feel cheap. Yeah. So yeah, it's a really nice nice addition to have it. It's always some nice protection not to lose your camera. A really important note is that the whole front screen is actually covered with the sleeve, as well as this LED light, so actually no information can be seen in here. So the back screen gonna be the only source of information for you guys to know what settings you're using and so on and so forth. So yeah, as I said, this is a very simple accessory which you can pick for around 20 bucks, but as I said, I will rather use it for some everyday shootings, nothing really crazy, and yeah, I think it's worth it. There is definitely some good quality product, I would say, and not as expensive as I would say for some other GoPro accessories.
Okay, thanks guys for watching this video. If you like this, please give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you like it, maybe consider it at least. Give me some positive feedback in the comment section below, what I did wrong, what I did, what I possibly can do better, and so on and so forth. I hope you got the basic idea of how this product actually performs in real life scenario, what I liked about it. Maybe you're gonna consider buying it or not. Okay, see you guys in the next one.